Hey everyone, welcome to Captain. I'm going to spend a couple of minutes going through what we've built and how it can apply to your business and brand. So look, first and foremost, Captain is your content marketing flywheel. So that's everything from creating and optimizing your content marketing strategy. So using performance data to ultimately identify what is working. Then creation. So creating multimedia, multi-channel marketing assets. That's everything from long form articles, fully narrated podcasts, infographics, social, newsletters, creates everything on the platform automatically based on your best performing topics and pain points. It then optimizes everything for conversion, ensuring it's getting users into the funnel. That performance data is then fed back into your strategy. And as I said, it becomes this flywheel. So very quickly, what we do is, or what Captain does, is identifies your customer pain points and topics that are ultimately resonating with your audience most. So Marketing 101 says, once you've identified topics and pain points that are working, do more of it. And Captain will do this for you automatically. So what Captain does is it looks at that engagement data, those topics, those pain points, and it automatically maps out your content strategy week over week. So every single week, Captain refers back, looks at analyzes your engagement data, dives into those topics further that are already resonating. Now, what Captain also does is pre-creates these briefs around the content topic for you to create more content on. We've created an automated research engine. So this actually heads directly out into Google, starts researching the topic for you so you don't have to, pulls in snippets, you see everything sourced, everything cited, add that into your brief, and you can create content with the click of a button down there. We also have a research hub where you can load up all of your research, so white papers, any data insights you have where you feel it'd be relevant at some point in time. Our engine will dip into your research hub, sift through that, pull out what's relevant for that specific topic that's being written about. Now, let's take a look at, say, an article that's being published. So what you can see here is for a customer of ours, our engine has automatically identified that this topic is one that resonates with their audience, has created this in real time, fully automated imagery, automatically generated using AI based on the topic of the article. And then it has done, as I say, all the research, all cited. So this is from CNBC and created that. Now, what's just as important, as I said, is getting users into the funnel, getting them exploring more of your content, getting them engaged. So the second this is published on your site, we also have our engagement tools, which are automatically embedded. So here we have our automated podcast. This is fully narrated, automatically created, automatically inserted for every single article you've ever created historically or you create moving forward. We have the clickable summary, which anchors users to that section of the site. We have the snapshot, which gives users the quick summary of the article. And then we have other CTAs, contextual CTAs throughout. So here is our contextual, what we call a contextual pitch. This is where our engine looks at the previous paragraph the user has just read and creates a relevant call to action, tells the user why what they're reading is relevant to the product that they're ultimately, or the website they're ultimately on. As we scroll down, we have these different calls to action, automatically created, automatically inserted, educating users on the product, driving them into the funnel. So highlighting product benefits, video units, getting them into the conversion flow. More imagery automatically created. Here we have like contextual lead capture forms. So this is if you maybe want to increase your subscriber list, you want to get users in for a demo, signing up for a sales call. Every CTA related to the topic of the article that the user's reading. As we scroll down further, we see things like the keyword highlight. So where our engine automatically identifies and highlights keywords related to the product's benefits and allows the user to understand more about your product and get them into the funnel. If we have a look down at the bottom here, we also have the control panel. So here, wherever a user is exploring or reading, they can access the clickable summary, the snapshot, listen. So they can listen to to the podcast, which has been automatically created. They can listen to related podcasts, so getting them to explore other content related to what they're currently reading. They can understand here why the product relates to the topic of the article they're reading, getting them into the funnel. Tips: our engine automatically creates infographics from all of your content published and uses that as a lead magnet. So getting users to download, take away branded content, capturing that lead, pushing them into your CRM and sequence. Then we also identify related articles to get them off into exploring more content that you've created. Now, all of the engagement data from these tools is fed back into the engine, which helps to identify which topics, which pain points are ultimately resonating, which then ultimately defines the content strategy, which is mapped out week over week. So here, as I said, you've got your fully automated, multi-channel, multimedia content marketing flywheel. Thanks for listening, and I hope you enjoy. Cheers.